Which cam for your 4.8 Vortec is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right one. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that will genuinely amp up your engine's performance. Product number 1, Texas Speed TSB Chopacabra Cam Kit. First up is the Texas Speed TSB Chopacabra Cam Kit. Priced at $572.49, this cam caught my attention because of its impressive 4.8-star rating from 185 reviews. If you want a cam that delivers serious power while sounding downright aggressive, this is worth a serious look. What makes the Chopacabra stand out? This means you'll get a power increase of over 65 horsepower and 25 ft-pounds of torque at the crank. That means when you hit the gas, you're not just accelerating, you're launching. Plus, it's designed to work with your factory torque converter, so there's no need for expensive upgrades. Here's why this matters. The cam's design ensures you get that mean, snarling sound without sacrificing drivability. It's like having a muscle car vibe while still being practical for daily use. Now, some users did mention that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially for those without mechanical experience. Here's the thing, though, if you're somewhat handy or willing to seek help, this cam delivers more than you'd expect. This is perfect for you if you're looking to transform your Vortec into a performance beast without breaking the bank. But skip this one if you're not ready to dive into installation yourself. For the power and sound it brings, it's a solid investment. Alright, if the complexity of the Chopacabra's installation concerns you, the next product takes a different approach. Product number 2, BTR Truck Norris Camshaft Kit. Next up, we have the BTR Truck Norris Camshaft Kit. Priced at $572.26, this cam is a favorite among enthusiasts, boasting a 4.7-star rating from 139 reviews. If you want a cam that gives your truck a serious performance boost while still being reliable, this is worth checking out. What this means for you is a solid power and torque boost across the RPM range, making your truck feel alive. The Truck Norris has been developed through extensive testing, so it's designed to work well with stock torque converters without needing any costly modifications. That's huge. You'll get that aggressive idle sound without the headaches of compatibility issues. However, some users noted that if your engine originally had a 1-bolt camshaft, you'll need a conversion kit. But honestly, if you're already considering upgrading, that's a small hurdle to jump over. This is perfect for you if you want that performance edge without sacrificing daily drivability. But skip this if you're looking for something that requires 0 additional parts. For the kind of power you get, it's a great deal. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, the next option on my list might catch your interest. Product number 3, Texas Speed TSB Stage 2 Low Lift Camshaft. Coming in at a more affordable price of $414.99, the Texas Speed TSB Stage 2 Low Lift Camshaft is next on our list. With an impressive 4.9-star rating from 71 reviews, it promises to deliver solid performance without costing a fortune. This cam features specs of 212/218 and a lift of 0.550550. Which means it gained 51.4 horsepower and 22.9 lb-ft of torque on a stock 5.3 engine in testing. What's great is that it operates well from 1250-800 RPM, making it versatile for various driving conditions. Plus, it's designed to utilize factory parts, which means fewer extra costs for you. But honestly, some users mentioned that the power band might feel a bit narrow if you're used to more high-revving cams. Here's the thing, though, if you're looking for a cam that's more daily driver-friendly without losing out on performance, this is a great compromise. This is perfect for you if you want a subtle, stealthy upgrade while maintaining stock-like drivability. Skip this if you're aiming for extreme high RPM performance. Considering the price, it's a great value for the performance you get. Now, if you want something similar but with a bit more power, the next product might be just what you're after. Product number 4, Texas Speed TSB Stage 2 Low Lift Truck Camshaft. Another excellent choice is the Texas Speed TSB Stage 2 Low Lift Truck Camshaft, priced at $506.83. This cam also boasts a 4.9-star rating from 71 reviews. If you're looking for a cam that delivers performance while still sounding smooth, this is worth your attention. It gained 51.4 horsepower and 22.9 lb-ft of torque at the flywheel in tests, so you know it's proven. The key here is that it's designed to work with stock components, which is great for those looking to upgrade without extensive modifications. Here's why this matters. You get the performance boost you crave without the hassle of sourcing multiple new parts. Some customers mentioned that they expected a bit more aggression in the sound department. But honestly, for those who want performance without the loud, aggressive cam sound, this is a perfect option. This is ideal for you if you want a cam that performs well while keeping a low profile. Skip this if you need an aggressive sound or extreme high-end performance. For its performance relative to the cost, it's a fantastic choice. Now, if you're looking for something that has a bit more personality in sound, our last product has just that. Product number 5, Texas Speed TSB Chopacabra Truck Camshaft Kit. Rounding out our list is the Texas Speed TSB Chopacabra Truck Camshaft Kit, priced at $532.50. With a 4.9-star rating from 52 reviews, this cam promises to deliver that aggressive sound and performance. If you want something that really stands out and gives you that mean vibe, this is worth considering. It operates from 1200–6500 RPM and gained over 65 horsepower and 25 ft-pounds of torque in tests. This is a cam that not only improves performance, but also enhances the overall driving experience by giving you that aggressive idle sound. Here's why this matters. You get a cam that sounds as good as it performs, turning heads wherever you go. But here's the thing, if you're looking for maximum performance and sound, it's worth that investment. This is perfect for you if you want a cam that makes your truck feel like a beast while still being manageable. But skip this if you're not ready to invest in the necessary upgrades for peak performance. Given the power increase, it's a solid option for the price. So there you have it. We've covered the Texas Speed TSB Chopacabra BTR Truck Norris, Texas Speed TSB Stage 2 Low Lift, and 2 variations of the Stage 2 cam. Each offers a unique blend of performance and sound, catering to different needs. Whether you're after raw power or a stealthy upgrade, there's something here for everyone. Good luck with your choice, and may your 4.8 Vortec roar.